This is a video to illustrate a very long, very long trade that I have taken. So I took this trade in June 18, 2013, and I'm already half a year, 6 months after that. I only see it actually going in the positive direction. This is only 0.1 lot, and it's already netting me $1,070, which is very good. But at the same time, the swap might be very big if I choose the non-Islamic account type. So again, look at this trend. It just dried up. It completely dried, but at the same time, it's kind of good because there is look, it's very small candles, very small bodies of candle, and it's just grinding slowly for half a year. Can you imagine this? Half a year, such a nice positive trend, just going higher and higher. This trend started somewhere around at the end of November 2012, somewhere at the end of 2012, and it's just amazing bull run here. I'm just illustrating this super long trade that I have taken. But again, this trade is just, look, I took it here on 18 June 2013, and it's still, oh my god, it's half a year. I had to wait for half a year to see the market actually grind higher and higher. My goodness. This is just horrible, waiting for 6 months and keeping my trade open. Leaving my trade open and just watching it, that is patience. That is a lot of patience.